Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem. If for a triangle ABC, delta is the debt of this matrix equal to 0, then what is the value of cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C equals to how much? So we have determinants clubbed with trigonometry. We have to find out what is cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. First what we will do, this is a standard debt. We know the debt of this, but we'll still find out what is the determinant of this. From that we'll get a condition. Leveraging that condition, we will see can we get a relation between angles A, B, C. Here a, small b, small c are the sides of the triangle ABC, where angles are capital A, capital B and capital C. So let's go ahead and try to solve this. First we'll try to find out the debt. Before that, I'll just write down the triangle what we are talking about. Suppose let us say this is our triangle A, B, C. Then opposite to B we have small b, opposite to A we have small a, and opposite to C we have small c. First let's go ahead and find out the debt of this. We directly do the expansion with first row. So I'll write down debt equal to A into BC minus A square. Then afterwards, next second element, that is A12, that sign is minus, plus we have minus and plus, so minus B into, we have to eliminate that row and that column, so we will get B square minus AC. Then we'll have plus C into, again eliminate the row and column which is having C, that means we'll eliminate this row and this column. That means we have to do here debt of this 2 by 2 matrix, that is AB minus C square. So I can write down C into AB minus C square. Simplify that, we'll get a standard, that is nothing but ABC minus A square minus B cube, then ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC. Then we have plus ABC, then we will have minus C cube, but this is equal to 0. That's equal to 0. Now that's equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0 when you take minus out. That means what we know is this can be written as A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA equal to 0. Since we have been given that it's a triangle ABC, certainly we know that A plus B plus C is not equal to 0, because sum of the sides of a triangle can never be equal to 0. So this is ruled out. That means we have to go to this particular condition, and from this what we have to get. Now if you remember, from this we immediately know that A equal to B equal to C. How it is? Let's write down. I'll multiply this with this part, second part, and I'll write it as a half into 2A square plus 2B square plus 2C square minus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA equal to 0. Now that's nothing but equal to half into 2A square minus 2AB plus, so we'll try to separate them, write it as A square minus 2AB plus B square, then next B square minus 2BC plus C square plus C square minus 2AC plus A square. We can write down whatever we have. You can check that. We have A square, 2A square, B square, 2B square, C square, 2C square, and everything is perfectly fine. But this is equal to 0. That means we have half into A minus B whole square. You don't need to remember this derivation. Just remember, whenever A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0 and A plus B plus C cannot be equal to 0, that means A equal to B equal to C. That you have to remember that. I'm just showing you how that comes. Now plus C, this is actually 9th class one of the problem we solved in NCERT. Now from this we know that this whole thing should become this whole thing should become 0. That happens only because any square of any number is always 0 or greater than or equal to 0. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. All these three should be 0. Then only it can be equal to 0. That means a minus b equal to 0, b minus c equal to 0, c minus a equal to 0, which is nothing but a equal to b equal to c. Now once a equal to b equal to c, what type of a triangle it became? Yes, you are right. It's a now equilateral triangle. That means all the three sides are equal. Once all the three sides are equal, we know that the angles there are 60 degrees. So once we know the angles are 60 degrees, then immediately capital A is 60, capital B is 60 and capital C is 60. What is that we have been asked? We have been asked to tell the value of cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So the solution is cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equal to 3 by 4. So first thing to remember, whenever we see this, that it's always a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, or it's actually minus of this, but since it is equal to 0, I have taken the liberty to multiply with minus and keep it there. And it's a triangle, so we know a plus b plus c cannot be equal to 0. If a plus b plus c cannot be equal to 0, that means the other condition should be equal to 0. When we try to simplify the other condition, we realized that that can happen only when a equal to b equal to C. So that means the given triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. Each angle is equal to 60 degrees. That means cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C equal to 3 by 4.